baskets that I wanted to go in them, so I'm gonna have to look on Amazon to see if I can find them. They just didn't have the colors I want. Like, I want like kind of colorful, but not really colorful. I kind of wanted pink and yellow, and we already have the pink ones. So I was trying to find a different color and some other colors, and yeah, he's actually in the video today. But yeah, so now I'm just waiting for her wall decals. Oh my gosh, don't mind my hair. Okay, so I'm just waiting for her wall decals now. I ordered those on, or decals. I ordered those on Amazon. They're supposed to be here tomorrow. And then I still need to find the baskets, and I did want to get like one more like accent chair to go in there, so that like when I'm in there with her, I do have like a place to sit, kind of. Like, I found this lounger on Amazon. I'm gonna post a picture right here. I kind of want to go with that, but I wanted to see my other options first before I just went ahead and ordered that. They did have like this white kind of like a, I don't want to call it baseball because it wasn't baseball, but it was like a white like fur chair in there that would have looked really cute. But I wanted to be more loungy like, because I'm gonna put it next to her books so she can climb up on it when she wants her earbooks. But yeah, that's what we got today. That's all we got. Oh my god, my hair is not sticking up. It's this damn AC blowing it. I'm telling you. See, there we go. I cut it off. But yeah. So, and then I didn't find any wall decor for it in Ross, and we didn't feel like going to Home Goods. So I'm either gonna make some, or I'm just gonna order some off of Amazon, and then so. Yes, the rest of the stuff that's going in her playroom, we probably will not be getting for her until Christmas, because we wanted to get a Christmas gift. We wanted to get her like a kitchen and things like that. Oh, and her shelves. So we're gonna take the bookcase out of there. All right, y'all, this is the before. Let me see if I can get a better angle. This is the before. I just pushed everything because it was a mess. I pushed everything in the middle of the room because I'm gonna take everything else and push it to the middle of the room. Yeah. I got everything in the middle of the room. Don't worry about that. We're gonna organize that after the fact. But I'm gonna go ahead and start. Wow, good job. You like the way that looks? Huh? You like it? Mm. You want to do another one? Here. Can we fix it? Here. Good job. Alright. That's it. If you like the way that looks, then it's your world, girl. I'm just living in it. Okay. Come together. Put something away, this girl takes it out. But yeah, I'm just cleaning, and then I have one more cubicle to put together, and then this room will be almost finished. That's what it looks like. I'm debating how to put her chair in here. Since I don't have another one, I think I'm just gonna put it in the middle for now. That's everything for her playroom so far. We're still gonna add some shelves and a little table and another chair in here. And like I mentioned, we're gonna get her a little kitchen. But as far as the makeover, that is everything. Everything else is just basically decorations, and I'll be in to decorate with me.